Welcome to another episode of It's All Downhill From Here. All ready for the next big adventure, the Cape Conran beach hike. Okay, with the crew, Charles, pal, let's go do this beach hike. What do you think?
Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, there we go, a bit of a delay, but we'll take it. So here we are at 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐞 Beach, where the big hike starts and finishes.
And finishes.
Yeah. Let's do this. If all goes to plan, we'll have that drink bottle done by the end of next week. We're off. Let's do it.
To see the wizard.
I'm taking someone with me. What? We have our award-winning best sleeper here. Just woken up, ready for the hike.
Ready for the hike.
You must be ready for 10 hikes, right?
Absolutely.
Really? I think I stink. It's official. My hero spraying me with Aerogard. Oh, I can taste it. So we've just been discussing.
No.
Mandy has groomed, but it's already back into sort of ape central. But I can't bag him this week because I'm right there with you, brother. I'm right there with
cheers.
you.
Cheers for this.
So we're rocking a local zoo here. The monkeys are out to play.
Thanks for this delightful topic.
I love how the terrain on these hikes change so quickly. So here we are at the dock inlet. So the rest of the hike should be mostly along the coastline. So all the charred branches here are signs of the very big bushfire earlier this year, 2020. And thankfully, a lot of these trees are recovering now. So we made it, the coast of Cape Conran. Yeah.
No! That's how I do it.
If I did it, Nima would be jealous.
That's good, that's good.
Second part of the walk, completely along the beach. Beautiful. right towards the end of the hike now. What a view to finish. Look at that. Ah, wow. There's the others in front of us, concluding another incredible hike. This one, a lot on the beach. Really love the Dock Inlet hike. It's an awesome one, out near Cape Conran. We did it! We did it once again! Woo! Nailed it. Okay. Wasabi. What are we having here? Wasabi almonds. Wasabi almonds. Let's go. Ready? Let's do it. Oh, it goes right up the nose. Thoughts? We're still alive. He's welling. His eyes are watering. He's hiding. He's hiding from this. What a hike. We had a long and grueling drive back. We need a beer. We all need a hug. It's been one hell of a weekend away. I am addicted. Chels. These wasabi almonds. Oh, the wheel's set. No. Okay, get it. I got it. Yes. That fly has been annoying me for at least 10 minutes. Here in Sale, the Jack Ryan's Irish pub. Who's thirsty?
Me.
Your smile, my crazy pills, this insanity, it whispers to me that you are my sweetest reality. You're drawing me in, your love is my skin. I wear it, I swear it's my purest sin. You're my kind of crazy. You set my soul so free. And this might sound kind of hasty, but you and the summer are all I need. Oh, you're my kind of crazy. You're my dream.
So there we have it, another episode of It's All Downhill From Here. Thanks for watching. What a brilliant place. The dock inlet, the beach all day, and I don't even have to drive home. I'm going to be snoozing all the way. Chelsea might kill us. Who knows what's going to happen? See you next time. Maybe.
Maybe.